Hello, in this video we will be talking about the remaining functionality of the account properties. So again, we go to the website XP toolkit, click on get started and connect to the wallet. I will be again using Examit because it's quite easy. So we'll scan the QR code with the Exam app and I will establish a connection and sign. After doing so, we are again logged into the website and we'll go to account and properties. So we've got three more fields here. So this one you should be quite familiar with, the message key, where you can post your ETH address and it automatically gets translated to the Flare format and then you just update. So this one you have time until I think today or tomorrow, so it didn't check the time zone. But there are two more interesting properties. So either the domain, but that's not interesting to you, since this is a property which rather, as you can see here, which rather, however you want to provide your account and domain belong to the same person, business. Okay, right. No matter, so you can set also a domain for the account. Why not? But the other interesting part is the thing here with the email address and the Gravatar account. So you can go to Gravatar. Register there. I will quickly register there by just creating a new account and we'll go to 10-minute mail. So let's see what we will. So I'm just gonna use one of those now. So we've got this one here now. So I'm gonna enter that. Then I'm also gonna use a password. Oh yeah, and now username, whatever, test username or XRP dev. I'm gonna use that one here. Then just select a password. Okay, I need a better one. And let's go. Right, so I don't need a domain or anything. The only part I have to do here now, I want to go back. I just want a user. So one more time, let's go to Gravatar. I think I can now register, can't I? Oh, okay, yeah, I have to confirm that now. So there's the email. Okay, there's some ads here. And now I can maybe, where is it? No reply, no. Is there anything else? So we will have to wait a few seconds until the email arrives. So okay. So let's see if it comes. Alright, so it's here now, and now I'm gonna click on the email and activate that one here. So I have to activate it and done. Okay, now I can go to my user account and just upload a picture here. So we'll do that. So I'm just gonna be using a new tab for that. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna use that one here and copy and paste it. So let's just take a picture of XRP here. Why not? Right, I have to confirm that and I'm all set. So now I don't have to do anything, I can just close it. This is just a service, so I can just copy and paste the Gravatar address, so account email here. I will now sign the transaction. And after doing so, it is just sending an email. So they are in the background using Gravatar, but it has actually nothing to do with the XRP ledger. It's just a service they are using here. And after having updated, it can go to account, and you can see here now that the profile picture from Gravatar, which I've set up, is showing up here. So you can use one of your pictures, whatever. And also the same is accounts for BitHome. So if you just check it here on BitHome, it's the same case here. So if I open it here now, I can also see it here on BitHome now. So that's how you can set and configure your own profile picture. So maybe it also shows an XP scan. I would have to test it. So let's see if XP scan is showing that one as well. So I'm just gonna enter it here. And XP scan is showing that one here as well. So yes, so using a Gravatar account, you can set a profile picture which is being shown on XP scan, on BitHome, and also here in XP Toolkit. So right, so these were the remaining properties here. So now we also covered that. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.